Hume Health Body Pod app review features, usability, and value. In this video, I'm reviewing the Hume Health app that comes with the Body Pod. The app is the brain behind the scale. Without it, you just have a device with numbers. Let me show you what the app actually does and whether it's worth it. What the app does: the Hume Health app is free and syncs via Bluetooth to your Body Pod. It stores your measurement data in the cloud, shows you charts and trends over time. Supports up to 24 user profiles for families. Integrates with Apple Health, Google Fit, and Fitbit. Core features: free version body composition tracking with all 45 metrics displayed. Progress charts showing trends over days, weeks, and months. Weekly health reports automatically generated. Segmental analysis showing your arms, legs, and torso separately. Historical data stored indefinitely. Multiple user profiles with automatic recognition. That's substantial for a free app. You get most of what you need here. Optional HUME Plus subscription costs $9.95 per month. Adds AI-powered personalized coaching, deeper nutrition guidance. Enhanced analytics and insights. Doctor-shareable reports you can print and bring to appointments. Habit-building programs tailored to your data. Most people don't need Hume Plus. The free version does the job. But if you want AI coaching and personalized recommendations, Hume Plus adds value. Design and usability: the app is sleek and modern. Clean interface. Easy to navigate between sections. Charts are visual and easy to understand. Information is organized logically. Color-coded metrics help you scan data quickly. First time using it, you'll feel a bit overwhelmed. 45 metrics is a lot, but